Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I make for you a lentil soup. It comes out delicious and is perfect for this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have tomato sauce, chicken bouillon, bell pepper, onion, tomato, carrots, potatoes, vegetable oil, and of course my lentils. Let's get started because this soup comes out delicious. I am going to start with my veggies. I have washed and rinsed very good my vegetables. I have my bell pepper here. I have taken out the seeds. I'm going to cut it in little slices and then in squares, as you could see. I'm going to try that all my veggies are in little squares and almost the same size. I'm done with my bell pepper. I'm going to add it to my plate. And then I will continue with the onion. I'm going to cut the onion, slice it perfectly, and then cut it in little squares. Okay, I am done with my onion. I'm going to transfer it to my plate. And then I'm ready to start with my tomato. I have my tomato here. I'm going to cut it, slice it, and then cut it in very small little pieces, just like this. Transfer it to my plate. Let's transfer it. And then I'm going to start with my carrots. I only have little carrots, so I'm just going to cut them in small pieces the way I'm doing it right now. Just like that. I'm going to cut all my carrots. They are done. I'm going to transfer them to the plate. Let's see. Let's transfer it. And I am ready to start with my potatoes. My potatoes, I have washed very good the skin. Now I'm going to cut it and I'm going to peel the skin off. Just like this. This is the way I do it here. I'm going to peel it completely. Now I'm just going to put everything aside and I'm going to start cutting it. I'm going to try and cut it the same size of my veggies. Look at this. Just in little squares so they all cook at the same time and I don't have the potato or too big or very small where they just disappear in the soup. Look at this. This is the size I cut my potatoes. I have a plate here with water. I'm going to start adding my potatoes so it doesn't get brown. I am going to continue with my other two potatoes. I'm going to do the same thing. I have them nice and peeled. Now I'm going to cut them and add them to my plate so they don't get brown. These potatoes are done. Look at this. They are done. I have all my veggies here and I am ready. I have my potatoes here in a little bit of water just so they don't start getting brown. So let's go to the stove and let's start cooking our lentil soup. See you over there. Before I start cooking my lentil, I like to rinse it very well. I run it through warm water for about 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it out completely just to make sure that they're nice and cleaned. Now I'm going to transfer them to a plate. Okay? And they are done. I am ready to cook them. My pan is nice and hot. I am going to add just 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And I'm going to start with my bell pepper and my onion. I'm going to start cooking it for just 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I am going to add 2 garlic cloves that I have diced in very small little pieces. I'm going to add it. Once it starts releasing the flavor of the garlic, I'm going to add the tomato and the carrots, and I'm going to mix it and incorporate it perfectly, nice and incorporated. Now I am going to add my potatoes. I'm going to mix it, and I am ready to add my lentils. I'm going to add the lentils, and I'm going to incorporate everything completely. And I am ready to start adding my chicken bouillon. Mix it. All the time we like to incorporate everything. Now I'm going to add my tomato sauce, and I am going to incorporate it everything together. And I am ready to add the water. Once I have added the water and it have covered the whole lentils, I am ready to cover it, and I'll see you back in 20 minutes. I wanted to show you when the soup starts boiling, we're gonna taste it just to see how, if it needs a little bit of salt or a little more of chicken bouillon, then this is the moment when we need to add it. For me, this is perfect. What I'm going to do is let it cook medium low for at least 30 minutes, and I'll see you back when this is almost done. Here, my soup is almost done, my lentil soup. The potato and the carrots are almost getting nice and soft. And at this moment is when I add my eggs. So let me show you how we eat it. We eat our lentil soup here at home. At this moment, I'm going to start adding my eggs, and I do it very slowly. I'm not gonna mix at all. I'm just gonna add it right on the top. I like to add 2 to 3 eggs right on the top without moving it at all. The eggs are gonna cook perfectly. I'm just gonna cover it, and I'll see you back in about 3 minutes. I wanna show you that my lentil soup is done. Look at this, look how beautiful this looks. Okay, I am ready to prepare my plate, but I wanna show it to you from close up. I wanted to show you from close up how my lentil soup looks. This is the way, my friends, that we eat it here at home. Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. Okay, I am ready to start preparing my plate because I can't wait to taste this lentil soup. Look at this. Look how delicious this looks. My lentil soup. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. I have added a little bit of aguacate, pepper flakes, and a little bit of lemon to my plate. And of course, this is the way I do it here at home for my family. It's very healthy and it has protein with our egg inside our lentil soup. But let me taste it. Let's see how this really came out, okay? I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The potato is so soft, and the carrots, and with this aguacate, even better. Excuse me. Definitely, this came out perfect. My friends, I hope you could do it at home, especially with this cold weather. This is comfort food, made at home, healthy and delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my lentil soup. Bye-bye.